At the IDEX 2025 International Defense Exhibition, the Turkish company Roketsan unveiled its cutting-edge air defense system, Burç, designed to provide mobile protection against a variety of aerial threats. The system is focused on flexibility and mobility, making it an ideal solution for dynamic battlefield environments. It combines advanced missile systems with powerful firepower, ensuring comprehensive protection on the battlefield. At the core of the Burç system is the Sungur Very Short-Range Air Defense (SHORAD) missile system, equipped with 8 advanced missiles capable of engaging airborne targets up to 8 kilometers away. These missiles use an infrared homing head, significantly enhancing targeting accuracy and reducing susceptibility to countermeasures. As an additional weapon, the system is equipped with either a 20mm or 30mm automatic cannon, designed to engage low-flying targets, thus expanding its combat capabilities. One of the system's key features is its mobility and effectiveness in various combat conditions. The 2-ton turret can be mounted on a range of platforms, from FNSS PAR's 8x8 armored vehicles to lighter transporters, providing high maneuverability during combat operations. This turret is equipped with 360-degree stabilized sensors, allowing the system to continuously track and target threats even while moving, ensuring complete situational awareness for the operators. The Sungur missile system, which serves as the primary weapon, enables effective engagement of a variety of airborne threats, including aircraft, helicopters, and UAVs. Thanks to its fire-and-forget capability, Sungur missiles offer high autonomy and accuracy, making the system especially effective against fast-moving targets. The missile's warhead features a fragmentation penetration design with a programmable fuse, allowing it to engage both light and heavier targets. Additionally, the system is equipped with 4 active electronically scanned array (AESA) retina radars, which provide round-the-clock, all-weather operation with high precision. These radars can detect and track various targets up to 20 kilometers away, including small drones and ground vehicles. A crucial part of the system is its ability to integrate with other air defense elements, such as the AESA 6 early warning and control system, enabling networked operations and data sharing with other defense assets. Moreover, the Burç system includes additional protective features like digital camouflage and smoke grenade launchers, increasing its survivability on the battlefield. The Burç system represents a multifunctional, highly effective defense solution that can be employed in a wide range of scenarios, offering reliable protection both in the air and on the ground.